Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. This is the 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. In an earlier video we had it in our sanding booth, and we talked about having all the parts individual. We had the doors, they were working on the doors and the hood and the body separately, and we got the new bumper covers on. So now we've just pulled it out of the booth. It's barely sunny, it's kind of overcast, so hopefully the pearl will be able to show up. There's a little tiny bit of sun, but it's a really nice metallic, and it laid quite nice, I think. They did a really nice job overall with the body. So once again, this is a 1982 Corvette, small block V8, so it's got the lower hood, but you can see with the new nose now, they've got it all lined up the way it should. They're always difficult with the headlights, with the doors of the headlights, how well they line up. So hopefully that shows up in the camera. So this is a tri-coat. So the last video you saw of this Corvette, it had the gray primer, and then after they block sanded all the way to 600 grit, then they applied a white special sealer. So then the white sealer goes on, and that helps with the other layers. So then after, the camera person keep coming this way as we go along. So hopefully you can see the metallic, and it's because it looks like a normal maroon or burgundy color, but then when the sun hits it, depending on the angle, you really see the pearl. So after they have the white sealer on, then they put the base, the burgundy base that has some metallic in it, and it's 6 coats of that. And then there's an upper pearl, and the pearl has 3 additional coats and metallic in it. So then they did that, and then we've got 4 coats of this special clear coat. So lots and lots of layers. It's very tricky to do, to lay the pearl this nice. So the metallic is extremely consistent, and the shine is quite nice. And I think the camera can probably, from this angle, so from the windshield side, as you come down the swooping hood and the bumper, hopefully it comes out, and then you can see the spoiler too. So I apologize, the lighting isn't very good. We might have to just watch for your comments, because if the pearl doesn't come out or doesn't show up, then maybe we can bring it in the shop out of the fluorescent lighting. It's just the shading will be different in the fluorescent lighting. So now that we have, this is straight out of the gun, what they'll do is they'll let it settle for a while, and then we're going to block out the front spoiler section. We're going to install the rear glass hatch, and then it's going to be almost ready to go to the client's home, and then he's going to put the rest of the car together. So I thank you for watching. This is the 1982 Chevrolet Corvette, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.